Vybz Kartel, whose birth name is Adidja Palmer, and his co-accused, Sean Storm Campbell, Kahira Jones, and Andre St. John, were convicted on March 13, 2014, for the murder of Clive "Lizard" Williams. Williams was allegedly killed because he failed to return 2 unlicensed guns given to him by Kartel. Recently, the Privy Council, the highest court of appeal for many Caribbean countries, overturned their murder convictions. However, the Privy Council did not specify whether the men should be released from custody immediately. Habeas corpus is a legal action through which detainees can seek relief from unlawful imprisonment. It requires the authorities to explain the legal basis for holding the detainees. A habeas corpus application was filed on behalf of Kartel, Campbell, and St. John, but not for Kahira Jones due to another ongoing matter he has before the court. Isat Buchanan, representing Kartel and the others, argued that there is a lacuna, which is the legal term for gap in the law that is depriving his clients of their liberty since the convictions were overturned. He sought clarification from the Department of Correctional Services on what legal grounds the men are still detained but was referred back to the court. The High Court is set to rule on whether Kartel and 2 of his co-accused will be released from custody before the retrial hearing scheduled for June 10. Kartel and his co-accused are currently held at the Tower Street Adult Correctional Center.